working. The operation lamp also our good partners during the surgery. Yes, welcome our promotion model MCS0099.
Yes, our lamp works with the LCD control panel, and which has a clear view and can be adjusted intensity and color temperature sensitively at any time.
We all know that surgery is a very careful process. The surgical line directly affects our doctor's vision. What is more important than accuracy and safety, right?
Yes. And the reason why we choose the OSRAM box is because OSRAM also be a leader in the lamp. Founded in 1990, it's a very famous brand in the industrial, so its quality is more guaranteed. The LED bulbs can be used for more than 50,000 hours. After you receive our lamps, you don't need to replace them frequently. It saves cost and time. And please focus on this way. This is our auto balance lamp. And it is made of the sturdy material and can be rotated at fixed points at any time. And I think many surgeons have the bad experience. The reflection and flash from the backglass, the ghost or instruments will take their eyes feel uncomfortable. Our operating lamp can ensure a color temperature of more than 4000 K, which is close to the daylight, making the color perceivable by the eyes clearly and will not lead to the eye strains due to the long hours operations.
It is with a built-in big capacity battery in case there is a power failure during operation.
Yes, and movable wheels which can satisfy the movement for using in different surgeries or operating rooms. And here is the removable sterilizer handle, which is convenient for disinfection. Yes, and if you are interested in our operating lamp, please click like for us and send us inquiry.